Alright, so it's calmed down a little bit. Strap on the skis, go out and see how it's going. Nice. Alright. There we go. Skiing them up. Ooh, that's an interesting sound. Some serious wind going on here. Here comes the plow. Mess up my skiing. Into the straight. Pretty whaling. This has been going on for about 15 hours so far. There's mucho more to go. A little urban skiing going on here. See how it works. This won't be my last video. It's pretty cool. Four corners. That's Washington Street. Yep, the Palace Spa is open. We're gonna go in there and I don't know, get some scratch tickets. Who knows? Whatever. Some mixers. That's a perfectly good gummy bear.